Hello and welcome back. Today we're talking about IAM roles for instances. Let's say you have an instance that needs to access an S3 bucket. For example, you're doing machine learning on your instance and you need to get data from this S3 bucket. There are a few approaches to this. Well, actually, there's two approaches to this. One of them is to use your policy. So if you think about your user account, you may have a policy attached to your user account that allows you to access this S3 bucket. Well, you can take your credentials and store them on the EC2 instance, and that will allow the EC2 instance to access the S3 bucket. So you configure it with your credentials. However, this is not a good approach because it is not secure. Anybody who has access to this same EC2 instance, might be someone else inside your account, can extract your credentials from there, and therefore this is definitely not a secure approach, something to avoid. There's a much better approach in AWS, and that involves using an IAM role, attaching a policy to the IAM role that allows this role access to the bucket, and then allowing your EC2 instance, configuring your EC2 instance to assume this role. And so that way it'll have access to the bucket. Quite a elegant solution to this problem, because the credentials in this case, or no sensitive information, is going to be stored on the instance itself. And here's a quick summary, and I hope you enjoy going through this with Adlan in the coming tutorial. Until next time, enjoy the cloud.